Yo, Jarastafari, good morning. Look, yeah? You see the man them who envying the Marley boys? I mean, I like that, you know. I don't like that. I'm gonna show you why I don't like that. I'm letting some sunlight, you know. Yeah, man, look. I don't like that when they decide the Bob Marley boys. Because when people complaining about Ziggy Marley winning Grammy Awards and stuff like that, and because his wife is on the nomination and the Grammy Award board and she's high up, people have to talk crap. Hear me, you know. If you don't do your work as a musician, how do you expect to get any awards? So, you know that the Marley boys are some of the hardest working musicians them in the reggae music right now. You understand? The man them work so hard. You know what I mean? We're talking from Julian Marley to Damian Marley to Stephen Marley to Ziggy Marley. The man them work hard, man. You know what I mean? You have to remember too, you know, when those men were younger boys, they lost their father. You know, people is so inconsiderate. You know what I mean? Let me show you something. You see, whatever they get, they deserve it. You understand what I mean? Is the legacy of their father. They deserve it. So anybody out there wanna feel like the man them deserve it? I don't want no people like, you know, the man them deserve it. You understand what I'm saying? And hear this now. The next thing is about Vybz Kartel winning these awards. All everybody have to do, you know, who is envious or jealous, you know, is just work as hard as him. He's incarcerated. No way you can make an incarcerated man, yes, be more popular or famous than you. That's mad. You know, these things are crazy. You understand? It just show you how lazy some people is. I understand. I know bad man come to be because look, they're on the road. They easily can make hits after hits, songs after songs. If you understand why dislike the man, I don't really understand that. You understand? Maybe because my mother raised me up. I'm not bad man. You understand? So that is rubbish. You know what I mean? You cannot hate someone for working hard. That is foolish. You know what I mean? You should be inspired. You know what I mean? So I don't really understand. You understand? Big up to the Bob Marley boy them anyway, because I don't know the foolishness. I understand. Big up to all of the musicians and the entertainers and the creative people out there who do their work. You understand? And I expect respect by not doing nothing. If you understand. What you think this is? You know what I mean? I'm not joking something, you know, man. You understand? So enough of the people them now make no music. Talking about that. Merciless, yeah? Hurry up quick and fast and release something, bridging. Because the people in my channel hungry for some Merciless, some new thing. So hurry up quick and fast, bridging. I don't know where you're depend. You understand? So Rasta, make some Rasta music, Merciless, quick and fast. So that one can save anyone right now, you know. You understand? Anyone right now, we're out there and are struggling in the music industry from a spiritual side or whatever hold them back. That's a Rasta and go through. You understand? Go turn Christian or something. Go do something. You understand what I mean? Anything will make you feel good and start make back some music. Do it. You understand? And all the people out there who is vendors and stuff, wallet. You understand? Don't let go, wallet. They always try to push up more people away. You understand? Wallet. You understand? Watch what the government do, cause I like how they move the people them. And the people them now have nowhere to go. And these people, you know what I mean, they're hard working people, so I don't really understand that. I don't want to say too much panic. I just go watch over the next month or so and see what the government really do after they move out the people them on for the place and make them money and move them at some back of wall place. So I don't know the news who keep up to date with the news. I no news, my entertainment channel. You understand? So I just at the same time, entertainment and education can be one. You understand? So I just have got the people them out there who are do good. And who no bad mind, you know? But no bad mind, man. Bad mind of the people who do nothing, you know. You understand? All they do is just watch people business. So yeah, man, over and out, you see me? Road with the pan, you understand? In Jamaica, in St. James, big up on yourself. Loads of love to all the people who stay in tune, you understand? Because, you know what I mean, I got to turn this thing way up. You understand? Remember me telling them I turn this thing way up. Over, out. Jarastafari. Peace on your family, peace on mine. Over, out, you know, hitting them, clanting them, you know we do this. Big up to the 60 subscriber, you know it's a 60 subscriber special, you see it? Yeah, and we're really devoted to the thing because early in the morning in Jamaica now, you know? And not even 8 o'clock yet, you know what I mean? So I get up and attentive to the thing. So I don't want nobody 8 my thing when it starts shot. Because I know them had to get up 7 o'clock in the morning and shoot them thing. I could have sleep in the man. The whole house asleep. I wake up everybody now. But anyway, over, out, you know? Believe in yourself, stick to your goals, you understand? I miss that. Out.